Today on Mountain Man Music, we're going to be changing out the speaker in my Peavey 6505 Plus combo. I've got a Eminence Swamp Thing, and a Eminence Texas Heat. So I don't know if I'm going to put a Texas Heat and a Swamp Thing in the 212 or leave it Texas Heat. So I'm going to pull one of those. We're going to try them out in this and see which one fits this best. Do you like that kind of thing? Let's do it. Alright, right now we're doing the stock 6505 Plus. We're on the green channel. We're running through my pedal board. Noise suppressor is on. Digital delay is on. The DD7 as always. I have a Proton Pedals preamp, Proton Pedals Attack Overdrive, 12th hour devices, Atom Bomb, and the Ibanez 2 Screamer. So we will probably be boosting here and there to see if the speaker's going to do what I want, because, you know, mostly I play metal. As much as it is not clean, we're going to use the green channel as the clean and the red as the dirty. So, alright, we're using the PRS 245. It is the charcoal burst one that I have not uploaded the video for yet. It is all stock. Alright, same setup. I failed to realize, but when I made my 412 cab over here, I was going for a 16 ohm cab, so I ordered 8 ohm speakers. So I just switched out a 16 ohm, whatever it is, no markings, anything on that speaker, for an 8 ohm, 150 watt Eminence Swamp Thing. So I switched the setting over to 8 ohms, so it could be a little different tonal, but, you know, I don't plan on running that with the cab, and if I do, I mean, I'm very meticulous about switching my ohms when I do that. So this is the green. After I turn the standby off, of course. The Texas Heat from Eminence, 8 ohms, 150-watt speaker, just like the Swamp Thing. Good deal on sounds. You can buy 2 for a little more than buying 1 anywhere else. I guess where they buy in quantity. I got onto them because people were talking about the mid punch they had. And Musician's Friend offered a combination. You got 2 Texas Heats and 2 Swamp Things for a 412, which was their middle tones, I guess. So that's what I done to my 412. And I also got an extra Swamp Thing to do that to my 212. But I thought, hey, let's see which one sounds best in this one. There you have it. I believe I'm going to leave the Texas heat in. Throw the Swamp Thing in with the 212, so I have a 212, 412 doing the same thing. I like how it brightens the amp up, gives a little bit of push, a little punch, and you know, that's just a few little scruffy notes trying to ad lib on a YouTube video. Once I get into it and do some few more, you know, adjustments, I believe it'll be spectacular. So, you know, it's amazing, you know, you take out a piece of crap, no-name speaker out of the amp and put a marketed one made for a certain tone. It's crazy the difference. So thanks for sticking by. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for watching, and I hope we're friends. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Mountain Man out.